How to fix Xiaomi 15 always on display not working. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on your always on display. Now open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option wallpaper and personalization. Now click on it. And here you can see the option always on display. Now click on it. And from here you can turn on your always on display. After turning on your always on display, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, turn off your do not disturb mode. For turn off your do not disturb mode, simply swipe down to your control center. If you turn on this do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then open settings. In settings, you can see the option about phone. Now click on it and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on apps. And then click on manage apps. On top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.